Hi. Today, we would like to talk about innovation in information technology. As we all know, the technology landscape is constantly evolving, and the pace of change seems to be increasing every year. New technologies are emerging, old ones are being improved, and businesses must adapt if they want to stay competitive. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest innovations in information technology and discuss how they impact businesses and society. We'll look at how these technologies are changing the way we work, communicate, and live our lives. Hi, Leo. Tell me where we can start?
Hi, Amy, and hello, friends. Let's start with the key drivers of innovation in information technology.
As per my knowledge, they are data analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Right, Leo?
That's true. Data analytics is the process of examining large and complex data sets in order to extract valuable insights and information that can be used to make better decisions. It involves using statistical and computational techniques to identify patterns, relationships, and trends within the data. Cloud computing is a technology that enables users to access and use computing resources, such as servers, storage, and applications, over the internet. Instead of owning and managing their own physical infrastructure, users can rent and use resources from a cloud service provider, paying only for what they use on a subscription or pay-per-use basis. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data with each other and with other devices and systems over the Internet.
Leo, I heard about Moore's theory, a prediction made by Intel co-founder Gordon Moore in 1965, stating that the number of transistors on a microchip will double approximately every 2 years, leading to a corresponding increase in computing power and a decrease in cost. Could you please elaborate on the impact of Moore's law on technological advancement?
I will not be going into details about the timeline as shown here, but will surely explain the impact. Moore's law has significantly impacted technological advancement in several ways. First, it has driven the rapid increase in computing power and memory capacity, making it possible to perform increasingly complex computations and process larger and more diverse data sets. This has led to significant advancements in fields such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and scientific research. Second, Moore's law has also led to the miniaturization of computing devices, making it possible to create smaller, more portable, and more powerful devices such as smartphones, tablets, and wearable technology. Third, the ongoing improvement in computing power and decrease in cost has enabled the development of new technologies and business models. Cloud computing, for example, has become possible due to the availability of low-cost, high-performance computing resources, while the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, has been driven by the availability of small, low-power, and low-cost sensors and devices. Overall, Moore's law has been a key driver of technological progress and has profoundly impacted how we live, work, and interact with technology.
Wow, amazing! Another commonly used term is disruptive innovation. I know it is the term used to describe a new technology, product, or service that disrupts or completely changes an existing market or industry. This type of innovation typically creates a new market or niche by addressing a previously unmet need or by making an existing product or service more accessible and affordable. Can you explain with examples?
Uber disrupted the traditional taxi industry by introducing a new business model that leveraged the power of mobile technology to create a more efficient and accessible ride-sharing service. By connecting riders with drivers through a smartphone app, Uber made it easier and more affordable for people to get around, leading to the displacement of many traditional taxi companies. Airbnb disrupted the hospitality industry by creating a new market for short-term rentals of privately owned homes and apartments. By offering a more affordable and authentic alternative to traditional hotels, Airbnb created a new niche that has grown rapidly in popularity. Netflix disrupted the traditional media industry by offering a new model for streaming television and movies online. By leveraging the power of the internet to offer on-demand, subscription-based content, Netflix has disrupted traditional cable and broadcast TV and has become a dominant player in the industry. Overall, these companies have all used disruptive innovation to transform their industries and create new markets, demonstrating the power of innovation and the importance of staying ahead of the curve in a rapidly changing world.
That's very much clear. We will wait for more unicorns like these, making our lives easier and more comfortable. Leo, another confusing term is creative destruction. Is that a constructive thing?
Yes, of course. Creative destruction is a term coined by economist Joseph Schumpeter, which refers to the process of technological innovation that replaces existing technologies, products, or services with newer, more efficient ones. The process involves the destruction of the old, inefficient technology in order to make way for the new, more innovative one. In the context of information technology, creative destruction has been a significant driver of technological progress, leading to the creation of new industries, products, and services.
That's true. It will be inappropriate if we miss the concept of innovation diffusion. Leo, please give us a brief about it with the timeline.
Certainly. Here's a timeline of the key events and milestones in the history of innovation diffusion theory from 1790 to the 2000s. First, factories and mills are established in England, leading to the Industrial Revolution and the widespread adoption of new technologies such as the spinning jenny and power loom. Rural sociologists such as Bryce Ryan and Neil Gross begin studying the adoption of new farming technologies by farmers in the United States. Sociologists such as Gabriel Tard and Everett Rogers develop early theories of the diffusion of innovations, emphasizing the role of social networks and communication channels in spreading new ideas and technologies. Everett Rogers publishes his seminal book Diffusion of Innovations, which synthesizes and expands upon earlier theories of innovation diffusion. Innovation diffusion theory is applied to a wide range of fields, including education, healthcare, and public policy. Then, researchers begin using new techniques such as social network analysis and agent-based modeling to study the diffusion of innovations. By early 2000, the rise of the internet and social media leads to new forms of innovation diffusion, such as viral marketing and crowdsourcing.
Everett Rogers and his 4 elements of the theory of innovation diffusion are famous. Please elaborate on that.
Everett Rogers' theory of innovation diffusion proposes that the adoption of new ideas or technologies by individuals and organizations can be explained by 4 key elements. 1. Innovation. This refers to the new idea, technology, or product that is being introduced into a particular social system. The innovation can be tangible or intangible and can range from a new product to a new way of doing things. 2. Communication channels. These are the means by which information about the innovation is communicated to potential adopters. Communication channels can be formal, such as advertising or media coverage, or informal, such as word-of-mouth recommendations. 3. Time. The adoption of innovation occurs over time, with different individuals or groups adopting the innovation at different times. Rogers identified 5 distinct adopter categories based on the time it takes them to adopt a new innovation: innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. 4. Social system. The social system refers to the larger context in which the innovation is being introduced, including the cultural, economic, and political factors that shape individuals' decisions to adopt or reject the innovation.
That's getting too long. Leo, I would like to end this session with the positive effects of IT innovation in the current world.
IT innovation has had a significant positive impact on productivity, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. Here are some specific examples. 1. Productivity. IT innovation has led to improvements in productivity by automating manual tasks, streamlining workflows, and providing real-time data and analytics. For example, the use of cloud-based collaboration tools has enabled remote teams to work together more efficiently, while the automation of routine tasks such as data entry has freed up time for more strategic work. 2. Cost reduction. IT innovation has also helped to reduce costs by eliminating manual processes and reducing waste. For example, the use of electronic billing and payment systems has reduced the need for paper and postage, while the adoption of virtual meetings has reduced the need for travel and associated expenses. 3. Customer satisfaction. IT innovation has enabled businesses to provide more personalized and efficient service to their customers. For example, the use of chatbots and other AI-powered tools has enabled companies to provide 24/7 support, while the use of data analytics has allowed businesses to better understand customer preferences and tailor their products and services accordingly. Overall, IT innovation has had a transformative impact on business operations, enabling companies to work more efficiently, reduce costs, and provide better service to their customers. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more positive impacts in the future.
That's great! Thanks, Leo and my dear friends. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.